we'll start planning. Thanksgiving food prep. Okay, so it's 2 days before the actual meal. It is Wednesday and we're gonna have the meal on Friday. So here's what I'm actually gonna do. I'm going to write down all the stuff we're making and if I have the ingredients because I don't have everything. And it's okay, we're not gonna freak out. We're gonna plan and relax and have fun. Yay! Okay, I finally finished. So we have appetizers, dishes, and just things to prepare. I was making my Walmart order while doing this, and then it turns out they're completely booked. So I gotta head to Walmart today too. It's prep day. It's our first time hosting Thanksgiving, which was on my bucket list. My life bucket list. First, no knead ciabatta bread. That's what we're gonna make. 1 loaf, just 1, because it's all you need. But so easy. Hands getting purple. We're gonna do kosher salt. It's always like, is it gonna work? Is the yeast gonna yeast? I'm following this. Cut it in half. And it doesn't say how long, you're just winging it. I'm gonna cover it. Set a timer for 30 minutes. I have the oven on to help the yeast, and I'm making a sweet potato snack. Now I am going to dry brine our meat. I got chicken drumsticks because we don't like turkey here. I never like touching meat raw. The real reason I don't like touching meat is because it's cold and I don't do well with cold. We're just gonna put salt, pepper, pop it in the fridge until it's ready to roast tomorrow. I have to wash my hands. This is scary looking, but you know. Generously coat. You're flavoring it within. In the meantime, while doing all this, I was resting and then my dog threw up. And then I'm washing laundry and then I had to throw in an extra blanket because she threw up on a blanket. But it's all good. Actually, hold on. We gotta get these out. There's a leak in the fridge. See you in 24 hours. Stretch it, fold it, stretch it, fold it every 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes, I'm gonna be resting. I'm tired and I'm hungry. Here it is. 30 minutes, stretch it again. It's you and me, da-na-na-na-na. Cute little ball. When the bread rests, you rest too, girl. I think my sweet potatoes are ready. Oh, that looks good, honey. You can't see, but my dog's watching. She's just watching. I have to clean the table. I have to set the table. Look at our new dining table, by the way. We didn't get new chairs in time, but we do have a dining table. That was one of my wishes, and it happened. Yay! I have another audience right here. This is late lunch. It has like sugar in it, which is a little weird, but beautiful. And then you let gravity do the work. Best trick. No need to tug. Look at it. It looks like a little bug. I was like, I could buy bread, but I'm like, I already know how to make this. Here's our ciabatta bread. Making lunch real quick, and we wait. Now I'm gonna wash these, chop it, wash these, chop it, wash those, chop it, and boil some eggs. Is that mamba sauce or the? It looks so funny. Okay, Peachy, you want some? Ah! I'm telling you, anytime I do anything, I always have an audience. This is the day which the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. The eggs are in the pot. And you can tell I already cracked some. Does it look ready? That looks so good. It's good?
Yeah.
I just want to soften it to make tomorrow easier. Our laundry is finally done. Basically, what felt like 3 hours. Never worked with leeks before. I can use this as my strainer. There's such a rich microbiome in soil that I have just a respect for soil. Ah, you gotta open it up. I'm just shocked this much goes into stuffing. I can't imagine. I feel like we need more ice. Now I wait a little. I'll wait again. I'll wait again and again and again and again. Okay, sad news, guys. I shocked my eggs, but they all came out janky. You see that? I can't serve this tomorrow. So I'm boiling some more. Someone said shock it for 15 minutes, so maybe I didn't shock it enough. Yeah, and why is my camera acting wonky donkey? They make it seem so easy. They're like, just shock it. I did, I shocked it. And it's ugly. I'm not shocked, it's ugly. Hi.
How about the cheap ones peel off?
I've used all the cheap ones.
You used all the cheap ones?
Mm-hmm. Oh, why is it not crunchy? Why is it doing that? Okay, that's not bad. How big do I make these bits? I don't know. Well, when I eat stuffing normally, Charlie, it's normally really small. He's like, I have to be a part of this. You have eyes for this. I'm gonna let this dry over here. Okay, this is gonna be take 2. I'm taking another break. Too lazy to get a plate, so I have my Americano and apple pie from Paris Baguette. Really, I have to do homework. I have to do homework. There's something so safe about, oh, I'm learning, I'm getting an education, and also there's good food being made. It's the dream. I peeled the eggs, and honestly, none of them look good. They all look so bad, but this is the best I could do. I remember a time when I could peel it perfectly, but it just feels like a distant dream.
We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my
Sweet potatoes are done. A big baby, you got a 6-pound baby. Okay, so I guess now we chop it. It's hard because every cooking video uses a different style. But it's like, I don't want to make it my own. It's my first time. I need complete guidance. I need hand-holding. All right, I think that's good for day 1 for food. Got a Mr. Rogers moment this morning. Yay! You're gonna look so cute! It's time to change. Not as a person. This is what I'm gonna wear. I'll change my pants later. My head's got cut off. I'm gonna prep the hard-boiled eggs with some music, so copyright. I'm gonna do some quiet time. That's it. I have come across an issue. I don't have enough dishes. I don't know where to put the casserole. I got the perfect idea. We have a Stanley. We have a stainless steel. I even have a Dutch oven. I forgot about that. Problem solved. It's just gigantic. Gotta move things around. Did you get that? You got that shot? You got it? Welcome back to my cooking show. These chicken drumsticks have been brining for, 24 hours. I gotta say, these pre-sliced ones, super thick. I'm not a fan of that. All right, so this is done. Put it in the oven, and then I'm going to put the onion, sprinkles. Now this just needs some marshmallows and then some butter, and it'll be good to go. All right, now we're making stuffing. Never made stuffing. That's why it's like kind of nerve-wracking. It always shocks me when something uses so much butter. Look at the butter do its butter job. Look at it buttering. Now we're whisking the eggs. I save the eggshells because I like composting and at least like the idea of thinking I'm doing something good. Okay, let's see this recipe. This bread from yesterday. toss gently and then add mixture. Stuffing is done, it just has to get toasted. Chicken is about to go in right now. I wanted to try glazed shallots, but I can't eat this by myself. What better time than right now, in the busyness. I'm just gonna add the shallots now. Add some sugar, kosher salt. The top snapped off. No mirroring. I'm shook. That's good.
Hey, that's a thick paper.
It's crazy mode. Crazy mode. Everyone's here. Not everyone. Where's Grace? Okay, first time. Ready? I made stuffing. Wow! From scratch. Okay, instead of turkey. Wow! Fried chicken.
This counter, so I can put food in there. Yep.
Was the leg separated? Like,
Be careful. Look at the arms in the back. Wow, thanks. Okay, bacon. Where's the bacon? No, hide over there. It's on the counter.
이거 차리는 잘 알아.
Yeah. If there's dog hair in there, we're not liable. Fabulous. There's one chair that has one bolt missing. Look at that. Look at my sister. Look, baggy pants. Mommy made that. Husband made that. I made that. That looks so bland though. Impromptu worship time.
Everything is so good, and I can't stop eating.
Honest opinion.
It's so good. I'm literally tearing it up.
I'm holding a knife.
Definitely come back to this place.
5 stars.
10 out of
5
10.
stars. 10 out of 10.
So yummy.
My pride. My pride. There's so much stuff. Serving, giving, cake.
There are things in my past I don't wanna remember. There are times in my life I'd rather forget. But maybe one day when my mind goes and I start to lose everything I know, maybe then I wouldn't take it all for granted.
This is the life. We have loaf number 1,
If we ever make it to
loaf number 2.
I hope I never will.
I would blow this out, but then I have to turn it back on, and that's just not realistic. So, bye.
'Cause if I can't remember